How to install the battery lights to your G Line. Lights are a safety feature on your bike, and it is important you install them correctly. In this video, we will show you how to install the battery lights to your Brompton G Line. To perform this job, you will need a 3mm hex key, a 4mm hex key, and a torque wrench. Front light. The front light can be installed securely to the fork with the supplied bracket, but can also be strapped to your handlebar. To install to your handlebar, wrap the strap around the handlebar, then hook to secure it. Ensure the light is angled correctly. To install the light to the fork bracket, remove the pedal holder by using a 4mm hex key, unscrew fully, then remove. Remove the handlebar strap from the light by undoing the bolt using a 4mm hex key. Fit the O-ring to the underside of the quick release tab and push firmly until secured in its designed slot. Flip the quick release tab, then slide the bolt through the hole. Ensure the quick release lever is facing the front of the light, then secure the tab using a 3mm hex key. Torque to 3 Nm. Fit the washer to the bracket bolt, then slide through the bracket. Insert the pedal holder to the back of the fork, then slide the light bracket with its assembly to the front of the fork. Ensure the bracket is straight and sitting on the mudguard. Then secure the stack using a 4mm hex key and torque to 5 Nm. To attach the light, align it to the bracket and push until it clicks into place. To remove, push the lever upwards while pulling the light away from the bracket. Rear light. The rear light fits to a bracket mounted to the underside of the saddle. For compatibility reasons, this must be a Brompton branded saddle. Insert the light mount into the groove on the underside of the saddle, then secure in place using a 3mm hex key. Insert the light into the bracket. There should be an audible click when the light is fully engaged. Operating the lights. Press and hold the power button to turn on or off. The power button is also used to cycle between the different lighting modes. When you turn the lights on, it will be in the mode last used. For detailed information on runtimes and modes, click on the link in the description. Charging the lights. To charge the front light, remove the USB cover, then insert the USB plug into a USB port. To charge the rear light, lift the red rubber cover on the side of the light, then insert the supplied USB cable and connect to a USB port.